Welcome back to Kungana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tigzezo Media, episode 18. No one ever sees them go. Just 1 minute they're there, and the next, they're gone. Now, it is a good thing the elders talk because they made it crystal clear that no one is to shed a tear. Fish is brought and put over the fire to eat while everyone dances and sings. They also bring out wine, which we make out of the fruit that grows in the forest. Just before dawn, the youngest children in the village are given reed plates filled with fish and vegetables, and some hold the wine. See, only the pure are allowed near the water during this ceremony. And we all know there's nothing more pure than a child. The children place the reed plates and clay drinking pots close to the water. One by one, they stand and come back with empty plates and pots. No one ever sees who takes the food or wine. But when this happens, it heralds the last stage of the ceremony. This stage is for the old women led by my grandmother, who pray over the sick one and ask that they be healed. Holding their chimbos, they hit the ground once. When done, silence. No one makes a sound, and it almost feels like no one dares to breathe. One by one, as they are told to, the little children start singing. Tune in tomorrow at 6 for more Kungana Chingeto 90, brought to you by Tigzezo Media.